From a worker welding the truck's tailgate going wrong, to an electrician inspecting a high-voltage transmitter that suddenly caught fire, a worker entering a press machine without shutting off the power, but unfortunately it started working, to two women narrowly escaping a press machine incident, and a woman trying to stop an uncontrolled forklift with her hand but ending up falling on top of it. Today, we're showing you some unexpected and unbelievable industrial moments and accidents caught on camera. This video shows a woman trying to show off her witch powers during a landslide, but sadly, it didn't work at all, and she got straight away to witch.
She's a witch? What do you mean she's a witch? She's not a witch! Get over here! No, magic is not gonna... It's a landslide, you Get over here! No, get out of the way! Get out! Move! Move, you Run! Run! Wow! Oh,
This machine had an issue, and to inspect it, the worker stepped inside. However, he made a critical mistake. He forgot to power off the machine. Suddenly, it started operating. Just imagine what happened next. This man opened the truck's tailgate and began welding a broken part. While he was working, the tailgate suddenly dropped, knocking him to the ground. During a construction project, a large cement panel was being lifted by a crane. Due to its heavy weight and a miscalculation, the crane collapsed. Just imagine what happened to the workers who were working nearby. At first, this woman walked toward the machine, and it wasn't an ordinary machine, but a steel punching press. She then pulled on the steel panel that was being processed. We have no idea why she stepped onto the machine afterward without cutting its power. Sadly, the second she stepped inside, it started working. What do you think happened next? Share your thoughts in the comments. Watch how this woman is casually walking while a truck is approaching on the road. Suddenly, she runs directly in front of the truck. It happened so quickly that the driver had no time to brake. Many social media users suggested that she may have done it intentionally to claim insurance, but the actual reason remains unclear. This load was being lifted by a crane while a worker was standing on it. Tragically, the rope snapped, and the load fell onto the roof of a nearby house. What do you think happened to the worker? Share your thoughts in the comments. While the mechanic was inspecting the machine, it suddenly caught fire. After lifting a heavy load, the back of the forklift unexpectedly lifted into the air. A woman ran to try to stabilize it, but tragically, it came down on top of her. This worker was walking on a large stacked metal beam placed on the back of a truck. Unfortunately, it fell, instantly crushing him. This worker was working on top of a machine while it was operating. During his work, he got caught by a moving part. We do not know whether he managed to break free, as the video ends at this point. This CCTV footage from a factory shows a man slipping while at work. Sadly, a heavy metal piece that was standing upright fell on him. His coworkers saw what happened and rushed to help him. By looking at the scene, it looks like he is gone permanently. This man was clearing snow from the roof of a house when he unfortunately slipped and fell. Thankfully, he was lucky enough to land on a pile of snow. This man walked in front of a machine and began touching the thread being rolled by it. Suddenly, his loose clothing got caught in the machine. Thankfully, he managed to free himself, losing only his clothes. Surprisingly, he even lost his underwear in the process. Take a close look at this worker. He walked to the other side to place a heavy load being lifted by a metal wire. Suddenly, the wire snapped and the load fell. Although there were many workers nearby, only he was crushed by it. This is a true case of being in the wrong place at the wrong time. While walking on top of an iron rod, his slipper slipped, and he started looking down. Unaware that the machine was bending the metal rod, he kept his hand on it and got caught. Thankfully, he was wearing a glove at the time. Scenes like this are something you'll only see in India. A woman tried to get out of a moving train and tragically fell. Police officers standing nearby saw the incident and rushed to help her. This video serves as a reminder to never step out of a moving train. While this man was closing the tailgate of a truck, the hydraulic tailgate he was standing on began to close. Just imagine what happened next. This man thought it would be a great idea to use a crane as a swing. Unfortunately, his leg hit a parked vehicle, and a few seconds later, he fell off. At a construction site, a large front bucket excavator was in operation. A man walked in to watch the work. Unfortunately, due to low visibility at night, the operator did not see him, and he got hit by the front bucket of the excavator and fell to the ground. The operator realized what had just happened and jumped from the machine and rushed to help him. You may wonder why he suddenly fainted. It was because the machine came into contact with a high voltage wire. You may be wondering what flew into the air. It was a woman. Just imagine what happened next. They picked up a steel rod and moved it to place it in a press machine. The moment they positioned it, the press suddenly began to come down. Fortunately, they managed to escape the incident in time. Why do you think he jumped there? And what do you think happened to him? Share your thoughts in the comments. He forgot to put the forklift in parking mode, and it started reversing. In an attempt to stop it, he moved forward and was hit by the forklift. Thankfully, he was lucky and managed to break free without any injuries. This man started welding while a car was undergoing maintenance nearby. Sparks from the welding ignited fuel leaking from the vehicle, and the car caught fire instantly. Who do you think is at fault in this situation? Let's end this video with this clip. Thank you for watching until the end. We regularly post content like this, so don't forget to hit the subscribe button to see more amazing videos.